Paulo Coelho said, if it costs you your peace, it is too expensive. So we step away from all the busyness of our lives, and we use this practice as a powerful opportunity to come back to that quality of peacefulness.
So through this practice, we're going to sit at our edge. We're going to feel into our edge to slowly but surely begin to retrain our nervous system that there's nothing wrong with the edge. We can just be at it. We don't have to run away from it or fight against it.
And then I know that even if things are hard or unpredictable or challenging or uncertain, that I actually have a skill set with which to navigate. And so in yoga we call it shraddha, which is that faith or that trust. Can you let that faith or that trust guide you through the rest of practice?